Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Siti Zubaidah binti Abdul Aziz. I am dietetic student and my matrix number is 066582. Today I will present about my assignment for halal and haram in foods. The topic is how I design and develop a halal control system HCP requirement for breakfast daily menu plan for a pregnant lady with gestational diabetes mellitus. The menu is 1 cup of rice noodle soup, 1 glass of low-fat milk and half cut of an apple. So, before we go further, let's look at the definition first. The first one is halal hazard point, which refers to any source, circumstances, or action that carries the risk of injury or contamination. The second one is halal control point, which the purpose is to get rid of any potential haram components used in the production of halal food items. And the last one is halal critical limit. Halal critical limit is a maximum or minimum value to which parameter must be controlled at the HCP to prevent or eliminate to ensure the food is halal. So, this is the flow diagram for the preparation of the food served in the kitchen and also the halal control point for the process. It starts with the receiving raw material from the supplier, which is HCP1, and go to the next process, which is storing, and this is HCP2. The next process is washing, followed by preparing, and this step also considered as HCP. Next process is cooking, and the last step is serving, which is HCP number 4. For this video, I will discuss about HCP number 1, which is receiving raw material from the supplier. I will start with table 1, halal hazard risk assessment. This process is determined as halal critical control point by this assessment. The potential contaminant is the item received did not have halal logo on the packaging. This might confuse and have questionable about the halal status of the item received. This thing is likely to happen in the kitchen, but the severity of this contaminant is moderate. Therefore, the risk ranking is significant. The organization should take all precautionary measures to resolve the problem. They also need to conduct the monitoring and verification activities towards measures. So, as the control measure to ensure that this contamination does not occur, the management must double-check the material in every aspect before storing. Other than that, they also need to request halal certificate from the supplier to get the confirmation of the halal status. If the HCP did not control well and contamination occur, corrective action is taken. Reject if there is material with no halal logo at the packaging because this material might have any haram item in it, and ask the staff to inform the supplier to deliver the material. The person in charge also need to double check when receiving the raw material as verification. The receiving SOP and the supplier's halal certificate can be the documentation in this process. However, when there is any incident happen related to halal and haram things, the non-conformity record need to be done. For example, on 20th December 2022, the incident that happened is some of the packaging containing rice noodle has been found did not have halal logo on it. So the investigation with the purchasing has been done to find whether the material used are the same. The purchasing has been notified and the quality control has taken a sample for further tests. The level of NCR is serious because this incident still can be changed. The error type is others, which is no haram detected because it is the mistake from the supplier, and then the action taken is immediately and the supplier are warned as well as they send a new material as refund. So the status of this incident is corrected. That's all from me. Thank you.